Brock Lesnar versus Brock Lesnar. Told you guys. Brock Lesnar versus Randy Orton.
Just got hotter, Corey. These guys know each other for a long time. They know each other very well.
Yeah, both Lesnar and Orton began their careers in OVW, which was WWE's developmental system.
Told you guys.
2002,
Randy
both
Orton.
superstars debuted. In the 14 years since, you have to be living under a rock not to know what they've accomplished. Both Orton and Lesnar have legendary careers at this point. The first time they meet on pay-per-view is going to be at SummerSlam. Look, we're going to finally see
I knew it.
the Beast versus the Viper.
Yeah, I'm excited, man, to see Randy Orton make his long-awaited return back to the square circle, taking on Brock Lesnar at SummerSlam. The party just got a whole lot hotter. And let me tell you something. Randy Orton always been my guy. I mean, 12-time world champion. I mean, in his DNA, it says champion right under the bottom of it. I mean, he's a third-generation superstar, as well as the guy knows nothing but winning. Biggest contest, perhaps, in his career, taking on Brock Lesnar. Can he get it done?
He's taking on Brock Lesnar. I know it, baby. I know it.
This is going to be crazy.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be Brock Lesnar squaring off with the Viper, Randy Orton, SummerSlam, August 21st, only on WWE
3 Network, baby.
Network.